As the clock ticks, the day for the governorship and state assembly elections draw near. The electoral umpire, INEC, is putting finishing touches to its level of preparedness, which is why it is holding this meeting with Interagency Consultative Committee on Election Security. The INEC chairman, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, says the governorship election will hold in 28 states of the Federation, that the constituents are 1,021, more than the 470 constituents for the just concluded national elections, noting that security of all persons on election duty is key, and as such, parties and their candidates must avoid any issues that will lead to violence.
Will involve 1,021 constituencies, 28 governorship, and 993 state assembly seats. There will also be more candidates involved and more collation centers to protect. These are also local elections involving keen contests. It is therefore important for parties and candidates to speak to their agents and supporters to see the elections as a contest and not war. They should refrain from acts of violence that may mar the elections or compromise the security of our personnel, observers, the media, service providers, and even the security personnel deployed to protect the process. The Commission is encouraged by the directive of two state commands by the Inspector General of Police to handle all cases of electoral offenses expeditiously.
The National Security Advisor, retired Major General Babagana Mongono, speaks on readiness to prevent any security breach.
So far, so good. We do not envisage anything that's going to be terrible or apocalyptic in terms of the next few days. But that does not mean that we should all do away with our state of readiness. We must comply with the rules. We must also allow everyone, I've said this so many times, to exercise their fundamental rights as citizens of this country.
Anambra, Bayelsa, Edo, Ekiti, Imo, Kogi, Ondo, and Osun states will not hold governorship election, as theirs are part of the off-cycle elections. Joseph Kadri, ITV News.